guys, good morning. Welcome to New York City. There are 3 things that need to be done today. 2 tattoos and 1 helicopter flight. It's gonna be a good day. My tattoo appointment is with Jonboy, who is fairly well known.
Nothing to lose, mentality is beastly. Raised amongst the most ferocious, life wasn't easy. Slinging them stones, banging them toasters, nobody cared. Neither did I, cause my father left me to fry.
Who I've been wanting to get a tattoo from for like a year or 2 since I found his work. But he's really into and very good at fine line tattoos.
She could ever put me through just one moment.
Don't worry about it. Oh shit, I'm gonna be on TV?
You're on TV now, John. Welcome.
What's up, TV world?
How you doing, dude?
Mr. Ben Brown, huge fan. I'm excited to tattoo you, dude.
Dude, I'm a huge fan of you.
Oh, man.
Let's get this going. The king of Instagram, fine line, beautiful tattoos.
Thanks, man.
You should check it out. You should check out. His links are in the description as well. I needed a shave anyway.
What's your favorite part? Men shaving men.
That's what the vlog's gonna be called. Yeah, you should check Casey's stuff out, man.
Yeah.
But he does a video every day, but he gets like 1.5 million.
Are those illegal?
I have no idea.
I think they are in New York. You talking
Really?
about the
It's gotta be straight.
Yeah, man, I'm a little OCD, so
You think that's straight?
I don't know.
One more go. What are you saying?
Alright, mate. Ready?
Alright, mate. Yeah, let's go. You know that fine line, you can barely feel it almost. You love a straight line, don't you?
Yeah.
That looks awesome already. We done? It's so neat. It's so neat. I love it. Give me one of them. Okay, so I've got 1 tattoo, but I actually booked for 2. The second one, I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted, so I left it down to Jonboy, the expert.
Yeah, you put me on the spot right there. You basically just told me I get to pick. It's artist choice, so you know we want to keep it PG. So we're gonna be doing I feel like a ship, like a sail ship.
A sailing boat.
A sailboat, just because you do a lot of traveling, and I think it suits you.
I like that.
A micro traditional tattoo there.
Yeah, micro trad. It's gonna be a new thing.
Okay.
Probably not a very flattering angle, but
And you want half hour or 1 hour?
happy ending, please.
Ready?
Rock and roll. Go. Looking alright?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you for being my cinematographer.
Man, you're the best.
What a good start to the day. 2 such good tattoos in the bag. I gotta go home now, collect some cameras, charge some batteries, because we are going on a helicopter right now.
He's over there.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Okay.
It's helicopter time.
That's our first flight of the day. They're about to take off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can watch.
Good, bub? This is gonna be awesome. The weather is beautiful. We're gonna get some good shots. And check this out. Mr. Dangly. Chris is the best pilot ever.
Yes!
Isn't Chris the flipping best? We were like, I swear we're upside down at some point. I'm pretty sure we were upside down. Oh my god, I got so many photos. Chris, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Always ask for Chris. What are you saying, bub?
So good. Best
Unreal.
flight, hands down.
Yeah, FlyNyon are
Yeah.
easily the best
Yeah.
that I've ever flown
I'm
with.
excited to look through my pictures.
Me too.
Yeah.
Nothing can take the smile off my face right now. Oh my god, I've just had the best day ever. Goodbye, helicopters. I love you. Hello, mate.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks. I'm glad you found us. Can be a bit tricky. Alright, thanks, dude. Cheers. Have a good one, dude. Cheers. After all of today's excitement, we're feeling very mellow right now. We've even forgotten to go and get some food because we got so distracted by editing photos, because what's better than editing helicopter photos?
Not much.
Not much at all. Maybe Mexican food?
Probably Mexican food.
Looks like the lady has selected this place. Thank you. This is so cool.
It's cool. This is Casey and Candace's suggestion.
Come on. Make space.
Awesome, thank you.
Gracias.
That's vegetarian.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches. That place is amazing, Bub. What are you saying?
No, like that was legit great.
Bleecker Street taco place.
Yeah, I think it's a franchise,
Is it?
but this Bleecker Street one is
Excellent.
Not bleak.
Excellent food. All of this needs to be packed up. All of that. All of that. We need to tidy. Because tomorrow we're leaving. Unfortunately, today's our last full day. We're flying back tomorrow via Dublin, back to London. I'm going to be back there for like 3 weeks. But New York City has been incredible. Today has just been one of the best days. I'm so happy with my tattoos. And in case you're wondering what the confidence over ability thing is, I'll explain it some other time. I will see you tomorrow. In the meantime, remember to work hard, be nice to people, and try not to get lost or killed. Okay, I love you guys. Goodbye. Just go and say hello to him. Yeah, he's real. He's one of those statue things. Makes us want to go live in Mexico.
no, it doesn't.
Well, you thought we were literally just talking about that.
Not living, visiting.